Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your trial lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And there you're looking for Trainline app. Just click on search. Then here at Trainline app, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, then you search for Trainline app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.